Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Minus version of Huggy Wuggy in the Friday Night Funkin style, but originally from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes with two circles. Now inside each eye, draw a curve near the top. And then add a sideways oval inside and a smaller one under it. Let's draw the mouth next. Draw a curve in between the eyes at the bottom. Then curve each side over the bottom of the eye to the sides and back down. Now erase the part of the eye under the mouth line like this, so it looks like the eyes are slightly behind the mouth. Let's continue drawing the shape of the mouth now like this. Now inside, draw a border with the same shape. And then add the teeth with pointed V shapes. Next, let's color in the center parts of the eyes black like this. Let's draw the head now. Above each side of the mouth, draw curves up. And then connect them at the top with a dipped curve. Now from the left side, draw two bumps that continue down to the side of the mouth. And now do the same thing on the right side. Next, let's draw the body, which is really symmetrical, which means most of the things I draw on one side will be repeated in a mirror image on the other side. Okay, let's start with drawing the neck with two curves down. And then a curve across the bottom. Let's add the collar next. From the left side of the neck, draw an S-curve out. And then a line up at the end. And now a diagonal line above it to close it off. Next, inside, starting from the top corner, draw an S-curve across like this. Now add a circle inside here. And a diagonal line under it. Now do the same thing on the right side. Next, draw the sides of the body down on either side. Then step up slightly from the bottom and draw a curve across for the top of the pants. Let's draw the suspenders now. Draw two squares on top of the pants line. And then erase the lines inside. Now add diagonal lines above each square for the suspenders. Next, add 2 circles down the center of the body here. Let's hop to the outside now and draw the sides of the pants with angled lines like this. Let's draw the legs now. Draw a long upside down U under the center. Then step up from the bottom and draw a curve down on the inside of both sides. Now draw the outside of the leg with a long curve down. And then one more shorter one angled in. Now do the same thing on the other side. Now on both sides, draw a curve across that extends slightly longer on the inside. Let's add the bandage wraps on the legs now. Draw 2 curves across the left leg. And then one above and one below. Now on the right side, draw 2 curves but a little bit lower down. And then 2 curves above it like this. And one more below. Let's draw the boots now. Draw a curve down on the outside and then a longer one inside. Then at the bottom of each boot, draw an S-curve across. And then lines down at the ends. And now one more S-curve below it. Next, draw the shape of the boot outwards. And 2 curves down for the heel of the boot. Now do the same thing on the other side. And then close off the bottom of each boot with a line across. Next, let's draw the stripes inside the boots. Draw a curve following the outside line here. And then another set of curves that have an S-curve at the bottom. Now add 2 rectangle shapes along the inside edge. And lastly, erase the stripe lines on top of the boot strap here. And do the same thing on the other boot. Let's draw the arms and hands next. Draw a long line down all the way to the boot level. And then a bent curve in. And one more smaller one to the boot. Now do the same thing for the right arm. Next, draw 3 fingers inside the bottom of both hands like this. Let's add the bandage wraps on the arm now. Start with 2 curves at the top of each arm. And then a curve in the opposite direction below. Now 2 curves across each arm. And then 2 staggered diagonal lines below it. Next, add a triangle shape along the edge here. And lastly, 2 V-shapes up on both arms right above the knee. And that's it for Minus Huggy Wuggy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!